Hello students, we came with a new topic today. You might have come to a conclusion which topic that I'm going to discuss today. You're absolutely right, your guess was right. That's the Himalayas, one of the major relief divisions of India. Total 6 divisions are there. One already we discussed in our previous video. Let's start with the Himalayas. What actually Himalayas are? Himalayas meant abode of snow, place of snow. Him plus Alay, you break it, you will get the answer. Now I request you, please have a look at the map carefully. How these Himalayas are running, few points we can get out of the map. That what I want, that you should not by heart answer. You should remember, right? So what we were discussing about Himalayas. So if you see it carefully, they are running from west to east. One. The next one, where width is more, west side, and where it is less, central part and the eastern part. Where width is more, this is roughly 500 kilometers, and it is less, how much? 200 kilometers. And here you can find variations in the height. Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges. They are going parallelly, and they are separated by valleys and plateaus. Now once again I request you, please look at the map. So you see that the north one, the top one, what's that? Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Name itself indicates you that this range will have more height than the rest. How much height does it have? Average height 6,100 meters from the mean sea level. And this, because of the height factor, snowfall occurs, and this one accumulates, solidifies, then the moment of ice, mass moment of ice, we call that mass moment of ice as a glacier, right? Glacier we call that. And when it moves down, temperature increases and it makes the ice to melt. That's the beginning of the river. What kind of rivers we call? Perennial river. A river which flows throughout the year, which is not a seasonal river. So where this one occurs, where this occurs? At Greater Himalayas, where glaciers are there. And you see that in the Himalayan ranges almost 15,000 glaciers are there. And India's case, the big one is Siachen Glacier, which is located in Karakoram range. Okay, so we were learning about Himadri, right? To the south of Himadri, what's located? Himachal. What's located? Himachal. First one we called Greater Himalayas. Second one we are calling Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas. And here it consists of most rugged relief, we say. In geography, whenever we use the term rugged, it's meant that it is rough, it is uneven, it is rocky, it is mountainous. Okay, what is the average height of this range? That is 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. Pir Panjal and Mahabharata range are the important ranges of this region. Lesser Himalayan ranges consist of the famous valleys of Kashmir. Simple to locate. Next one, Kangra and Kulu in Himachal Pradesh. This one you will find next to Jammu and Kashmir. This region is well known for many hill stations. What are they? Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. You can add Chakrata. Where you will find all this in Uttarakhand. Let's move to the last range, but not the least one. What is that? Outer Himalayas We call them shivaliks. Here width is changing 10 to 50 kilometers. Height is also less, 900 to 1100 meters. This region, these ranges have local names. Simply Jammu Hills in Jammu region, simple to remember. Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. Kachar in Assam. This one consists gravel and alluvium with no surprise. Why? When rivers flow, they bring alluvium and this one down. So naturally we find them. Valleys which lie between Lesser Himalaya and the outer Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas and outer Himalayas are called dunes. Actually in Hindi we call them Doon, Dehradun, we call them, not Dune, because of that English language this happened. Example, Dehradun in Uttarakhand, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun are located in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, next we move to the part. Now you look at the map again carefully. Here what's happening there? It's taking turn. Where it's taking turn? In Arunachal Pradesh. If I speak more specifically, next to Dihang Valley, it's taking turn. Hairpin bend turn it's taking. And this range is farm boundary between India and its neighboring countries. And these divisions are known as Purvanchal and they composed of sedimentary sandstones. Regionally, Purvanchal are known Patkai Hills, the Naga Hills, Manipuri Hills, Khasi and Mizo Hills. This much I have for you in today's class. Here few points you can remember. If you think that a few topics which are difficult for you, simply you concentrate on it. Suppose we say that Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. Oh, what words we can say that? How can we remember? Miss Aruna you can add, or Aruna will miss me you can add. Aruna will miss me. Okay, miss me. Aruna will miss me. Like this you can remember. Next one, Hachar in Assam is there. You know, Hindi speakers, Urdu speakers, they might have encountered this word Hachar that resembles donkey, ass. Okay, so here Hachar, mule, and that one ass. This is enough for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.